Here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, across the street from the National Corvette Museum, is Arts Corvettes. Collector, sort of like a museum. I think a few of them are for sale in here. Beautiful cars though. I think that's Le Mans blue. Look at this truck. This is a truck. I think that's a 63 maybe 65. I don't think it's a 6'4". Bel Air. This one's for sale. Pretty noble. Nice C3 there. C2. Beautiful Firebird. Good price too. 45 grand. Come get it, somebody. Z06 C6. 37 grand. I'd rather pay the extra 10 for the Z06 as a car. 505 horse. Oh my God, hold on. This is not stock. Oh, there's a culprit right there, pro-charged. Damn. Damn, that's a good deal for that, man. Great looking Chevelle 454. Nice piece of furniture there. We're gonna go over to the back side. Can't miss this in power. Help me out. Is this a 59? Was there a 59? Is this a 59? 58. 58. Look at this interior. Look at the craftsmanship right there, man. C1. Over here to the other side, see what we got. Smells like carbureted cars been up in here. Oh yeah, this is sharp. I'm just gonna take a little lap around here. GTX. It's a nice car. Almost bought one of them a while ago. Funds wasn't there though. Oh, that's a bubble top. Yeah, that's a bubble top. 60, 61, 60. Yeah. Look at that interior. Judge. Good price. 33 million. A lot of vets in the collection. Smart man. That's a different color C3. I've never seen a colorway like that. It's my favorite car in middle school. Is it a WS6? It's clean though. You can say Cougar. Nice. 2006 Bowling Ball Impala SS Bubble. What the hell is that? I've never seen this before. It's a Ford. Cool Cutlass over there. Fairlane 500. It's the money. It's the money right here. If I had to guess, this is a $90,000 car or more. What's it say? Not for sale.